So story time. I'm gonna be saying the story in English because maybe some of my friends who are following my account will see this. So what happened was yesterday while having dinner, my mom told me we're gonna go to her high school classmate's place to have breakfast. So okay, and the call time is at 8 a.m. I said okay. My dad washed the dishes, which I usually do, and then I did my Duolingo and I went to sleep. Woke up at 4 a.m., had a light breakfast, and I just got ready for the day, even though the time was 8 a.m. But I really wanted to clear my head before going somewhere. So here's what happened. Okay, woke up at 8, and then went to the place. We got picked up by her classmate and we were there. As we were eating breakfast, we were just, chatting, catching up because of post holidays. And then all of a sudden, their friend decided, let's go to this new place. Let's do location scouting because it's their birthday coming up. For context also, why I'm with my mom. My mom is partially blind due to her cataract surgery. It went wrong. So she has blurred vision, meaning it feels like she has layers upon layers of plastic in her eyes and the only thing she can see is shapes and colors. So I am her walking cane. I'm the one who gets her food if there's a party or something like that. So that's why I'm always with her in these kinds of occasions. So fast forward, whilst we were eating and chatting, they decided to go to this place where there's a new mall and new restos popping out of the area. I said, okay, let's go. And then off we went to Kawit to check for the location and also look into the venues for the celebrants for January, February, and March. And then here's what happened. Whilst looking at the location, they saw this halo-halo stand and they were already dead set in ordering upon realizing that they don't have chairs and tables for them to use to eat. So what happened, we went to Panapaan to this halo-halo place to eat halo-halo. So if you're gonna Google map this, because we started our location in Banalo and then we went to Kawit and then we went to Panapaan. So we're doing kind of a roller coaster here. We're going in circles. So we went to this halo-halo place in Panapaan, sat down, had fun, had chika-chika. We were talking about the latest updates also that we didn't talk about in breakfast. And then one of my mom's classmates was complaining and already planning of telling one of my mom's classmate to trim down the branches of the tree of the mango tree that he because he owns a chainsaw and that's also his job now that he's retired Navy. And then Tito Jose, who owns the chainsaw, said, why not let's go to your place and start picking out the mangoes. I'm like, everybody stood up. They didn't feel pain on their knees and they just decided, yeah, let's go. Off we went to our place, which I'm not gonna mention where do we live, and immediately grabbed the tallest sticks that they can find, the sturdiest sticks also, to at least try to get the mango fruit from the tree, shaking the branches, shaking the the bunches of mangoes for them to fall on the ground. Long story short, we left at 8. Imagine that. What time did we get home? 4 p.m. It was supposed to be a breakfast. But then it turned to a field trip for everyone. We went in circles for the whole day. But the fun thing is, it's not planned, The only plan is breakfast. The rest of it was unplanned. The halo-halo, going to Kawit, and then picking the mangoes. It was all unplanned. But I'm really, really laughing at the idea. We were supposed to have breakfast. We ended in this. This is one of the best things about doing things or planning something like this. Totally unplanned. And then you insert many possible things that you can do. Now I'm tired. But powered by caffeine, I can't get a power nap. I don't know how this will translate with anyone, but I'm still vibrating with that fun thing going on. So yeah, I don't know what you think about this, but this is kind of my random share of the day, and I'm trying to be active more here on TikTok, and also kind of have this memory somewhere, and I might write this on my diary as well. But I was just still really processing this whole thing that happened. It was supposed to be breakfast. That's all I can say. Bye.